Hi, today I'm reviewing the 4th Ray Beauty, the Remedy Niacinamide Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the Amazon link below. Okay, so I've been asked to review this brand for quite some time, and finally getting a chance to review them. I've had a lot of stuff to review, so although I'm very excited of the whole brand, I've tried most of their products, and this is the one that excites me the most. So, okay, so they call this a 4th Ray Beauty, contains niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3 that works wonders for all skin types, for perfect pores, enhances skin clarity, and boosts overall skin health. And that's a pretty good summary of what niacinamide does, although it does that and much more. It's one of the best ingredients for your skin, in my opinion, and especially if you have acne-prone skin or skin that is dull, niacinamide is a great ingredient to add to your routine. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging, and they've got this package in the standard dropper bottle, although I like it because it's got the white cap on it, which allows me to recognize it from further away than the ordinary, which has everything identical. Although the packaging is light, clear, so I recommend keeping away from light. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, there's none of that in here, so that's always a good thing, especially for dry or sensitive skin. And then when we get to fragrance, some of the 4th Ray Beauty products have a little bit of fragrance in them, and some of them don't. This one does not, so that makes me even more excited about reviewing it. Okay, then the manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. Ease of use, it's really kind of a watery texture to it, so a little bit goes a long way, but it's very easy to work into your routine. Some niacinamide serums can set really fast, I've noticed. This one doesn't. It gives you enough time to smooth it over your entire face, and absorbs pretty quickly, but not super fast, so you have enough time to work with it. A couple drops does the trick, so a bottle like this would probably last, I don't know, 3 months, maybe even a little bit longer. 2 to 3 drops does the whole trick for my entire face. So it feels nice and hydrating. It doesn't pill. I've been able to use this in my morning routine without any issues, and I've even been able to use it in my evening routine. I just find it easier to work it into my morning routine, because my evening routine usually contains some sort of acids in there, and you're better off in general not mixing niacinamide with acids. So that's why I like using my morning routine, but my morning routine can be pretty simple, but with sunscreen and then foundation and makeup, sometimes too many products can cause a little bit of pilling. When I added this into my routine, I didn't have any issues with pilling at all. So that was amazing. So I was very happy to add this into my routine. And then let me do a quick pH test for you that love the pH. So let me do that really quick. So anyway, very, very easy to use. No other issues. So the pH of this one looks to be, I would say, almost 5 exactly. So no issues with that. Okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. It's not the most exciting ingredient list. It still contains some nice beneficial ingredients and hydrating ingredients as well. Sometimes you're better off not having a super long ingredient list, especially with those that have sensitive skin or have reactions to certain ingredients. Sometimes a more basic list is better. I know It Cosmetics, their ingredient lists are... The ingredient list, if this was an It Cosmetic niacinamide serum, would go up and down every single side of the box. Okay, so this one's got 10% niacinamide, which is a decent amount. There's some serums lately with higher percentages. We're seeing 15% and 20%. Well, in the U.S., some countries, you can't use over a certain percentage. So sometimes with a lot more niacinamide in a product, I find it to be sometimes drying for skin. So 10% overall is a good amount, enough to get the good benefits from it without some of the negative reactions from having too much of it. So 10% niacinamide, also known as B3. It's a water-soluble vitamin that works with the natural substances in your skin to help minimize enlarged pores, tighten pores, improve uneven skin texture, It also can help with wrinkles, fine lines, dullness, and also can help strengthen a weakened skin barrier. So that's always good. Then we've got a few more ingredients. Sodium hyaluronidate's in there, which is a good hydrating ingredient. Calendula is a good soothing ingredient. You'll see a lot of Calendula creams, and Kiehl's has their Calendula toner, which is very soothing. Then we've got licorice root extract, which is another good ingredient for brightening the skin and hydrating it. It's also a great antioxidant. Then we've got red number 40 and quartz. I don't know. I'm not going to say much else about that. I guess red number 40 gives it a bit of a yellow tint. I don't know. They probably didn't need to include those, but there's, I guess, unless you're very, very sensitive, nothing super wrong with it. Although with the quartz, you'd think you get some sort of a, I don't know, shimmer or something, but it has a really nice natural finish. So, not the most exciting ingredient list, but decent overall. Then we've got animal testing, and this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, and I also believe it's gluten-free as well. So, for all of you vegan, gluten-free, very good for that. Then we've got performance, and for me, this has been one of the favorite niacinamide serums I've ever tried. And I've tried a lot. Good Molecules has one. The Ordinary obviously has one. Skincare Revolution has one. Paula's Choice has one. For some reason, there's something about this one that just fits better into my routine than any of those other ones. I had some issues with pilling and some issues with dryness with some of those other ones, and I never had that problem with this one at all. And it just fit into my routine so easily without any pilling. It plays well with other products, which is nice. And it really does help with brightness and also kind of hydrating your skin. So I found it to be very good. Performs very nicely. My favorite out of all of them. And then in terms of acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient that's a bit iffy, and that is Hexylene glycol, which I think is a fungal acne trigger. So if you have acne-prone skin, this one's very friendly for that as well. Then we get to the price. And this one's a bargain. So 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for about $16, or I think it's $13 on sale frequently. So that's a bargain, especially with the size of the bottle and how little it takes to smooth over your skin. You're getting a really good deal, in my opinion. And some of those other niacinamide serums are kind of pricey. I know the Paula's Choice one is. Although the Icky List, the Ordinary, Skincare Revolution, those are around the same price. So, and then we get to the It Factor. I absolutely love this serum. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free, nice amount of niacinamide, some other good hydrating ingredients. Overall, great for acne-prone and sensitive skin. Affordable, cruelty-free, and pretty well packaged overall. So, this one really impressed me, and I wish I would have started using it much sooner, but I guess you gotta try them all, and then when you know you've got one you like, you know it instantly. So that's what I felt with this one. So I'd probably never, if I wasn't a beauty product junkie, I probably would never try another niacinamide serum. But anyway, I am a junkie with beauty products, so anyway. Okay, so overall, out of 10, this one got a 10, which is a perfect score. Doesn't happen very often, but this one did it, and it's quite impressed me. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one out, or if you've tried any of the other products from 403 Beauty. What have you tried from them, and how have you liked it? So leave a comment. All their products can be sold out from time to time as well. So it seems like if it's in stock, buy it, because it'll be out of stock within 5 hours. I don't know. Anyway, okay, love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.